In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome keeps opening new tabs. If Chrome keeps opening a new tab and it's interrupting your browsing, there's a simple setting you can check that may solve the problem right away. I'm going to walk you through the process slowly so it's easy to follow. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open before moving to the next step, because we'll be changing a setting directly inside Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon there. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. This is where you'll find many of the browser's controls and customization options. After the menu appears, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page, where you can manage how the browser looks and behaves. If you don't immediately recognize the page, that's normal. Chrome settings include several sections, so we're just going to focus on the one we need. Next, find and click on Appearance. This section controls visual and tab-related behavior in Chrome. Once you're inside Appearance, look for the option related to automatically pinning a new tab. If that setting is turned on, toggle it off. Disabling this option can help stop Chrome from forcing that extra new tab behavior, especially if the issue is tied to how tabs are being handled in your browser setup. After you switch it off, the change should apply automatically, so in most cases you won't need to save anything manually. At this point, it's a good idea to close the Settings tab and test Chrome for a moment. Try browsing normally and see whether new tabs are still opening on their own. If the setting was the cause, the issue should now be fixed. One helpful tip is to make sure you only change the specific setting you intended to adjust, especially if you're not familiar with Chrome's settings menu. That way, you avoid accidentally changing something unrelated. And that's it. By opening Chrome, going to the three-dot menu, selecting Settings, heading into Appearance and turning off the automatic new tab pinning option, you can quickly fix this problem and get your browser working more normally again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.